gang? Welcome back to the channel. Lyn's is lifestyle. We doing on a short toss today. We got a good count on the birds. We got 19 down at the bottom, 6 young birds at the top. Young birds not ready to go for the distance yet. Got the loft cleared out. We got 3 left in the loft. 4 plus the baby down there. The baby haven't learned how to use his wings yet. That chocolate is an old bird. She don't ever want to fly. And then we got the silver baby in the top corner, sitting on 2 eggs. So we got a total of 30 birds. Got a total of 30 in the loft. 19 flyers. This is the newest bird going in the loft. Black just came out the prisoner pen. He just came out the prisoner pen. So today it'll be his first day going into the loft once they come back. And here we have the babies. Some of the youngins that not ready to go for the distance yet. And the 19 flyers. They're nice and calm. They ready to go. Short toss. Let's get it. All right, gang. We got a short toss coming out. It's my first time letting them out in about a week, 2 weeks really. They haven't been out the cage yet, so out the loft. So we're gonna let them go. About a mile away. Back at this spot. I think it was Thanksgiving last time I let them out right here. Yep, it was Thanksgiving morning. We got 19 flowers in the cage. Short toss. All right, Poppy, let them out, Poppy. Stay to the side. When you open it, stay to the side. Okay. Well, they never went that way before. We got one solo flyer. Where he going? I don't know. Everybody else going the right direction. Let's get out of here. We going to let out a couple more, check on them and see what they doing. 3.
Lyn's lifestyle, land of birds out right here. It's about like 2 minutes away.
Okay, open it up.
I don't already know how to open it. Twist it. Oh. Oh, they got 2 more.
Put some out. Yeah.
Go, the little 5 cents.
Who's that in
You
there?
have to get them and let them out.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, he bites it.
Here, take him over there, Poppy. Walk him over there and just put him by the car. Alright, gang. We released about 25 birds. I think I lost one, a young bird. I thought he was an older bird, but he was a white youngster. And that's another young bird. Uh-oh, there go a hawk.
What?
There go a hawk right there. Sparrow hawk. Look, he trying to get that bird right there.
Get the gun. Get the gun.
It ain't loaded. Hold on. Here, hold it.
What is a gun? That's a gun? Yeah, that's literally a gun. Got Glock 14. Ooh. Ooh. Miss. That's a gun.
No. Alright, gang. I'm done letting my birds out. The hawk was chasing them around. Chased them in the backyard. The bird landed in the back. The hawk was flying around. Then the cat jumped up and grabbed the bird. I'm done. I'm not flying my birds no more this to the spring. Think I lost a young bird. This is the one the cat grabbed. He can't fly. He can't fly, so I threw him in here. It's gonna be a temporary infirmary. Try to get him back right. No animals was harmed except my bird in this video. I think I lost a white. Hopefully he come back tomorrow. Everybody almost seemed to be in here. So I had a count on them. A good count was 30 birds today. So I'll keep y'all posted and know what happened. It's lifestyle. We out.